Every time I leave the house for training or for my session, my daughter asks me two questions. Papa कहाँ जा रहे हो? And Papa क्यों जा रहे हो? Every single time without fail. I used to just say exercise के लिए जा रहा हूँ बेटा और training के लिए जा रहा हूँ and walk out. But one day I actually stopped and thought about what I was showing her just by leaving every time. She's 2 years old. She does not understand fitness. She does not understand discipline. She does not understand why Papa keeps going back to train. But she understands that Papa leaves to train and comes back stronger. Children do not learn from what you tell them, they learn from what they watch you do every single day. That is enough for now. She one day she will understand the rest. If you train for someone beyond yourself, tag them below. They need to know.